Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name's Ed Miles and this is the new for 2018 RUKKA jump-in trouser. This is a product we've been asked for thousands of times. People are after an over trouser, waterproof, breathable, Goretex, but made for motorcycling. So the first thing you notice about these trousers, it's a full 500 denier cordura. So you are going to get some value of abrasion resistance on the outside, but that's not what this is for. This is a simple Goretex overpant you wear over your denim jeans, your PMJs, that sort of product when you're riding around. So let's talk to you about a few of the features. So your 500 denier cordura, Goretex 2-layer laminate product, so it is a laminate Goretex. For a run down the front, elasticated waist, keep the sizes nice and easy depending on what you're wearing underneath. Coming to the bottom of the trouser, you've got the standard RUKKA reflectors as you would expect. Simple opening at the bottom. Now I will mention, at the opening at the bottom of these trousers, you want to be putting your boots on after you put these ones on. We have got a durable nylon liner on the inside, but just to keep them nice for as long as possible, put your boots on after you put your over trousers on. If I spin it round to the back, we've got extra layers on the back of the trouser, so that gives you the abrasion resistance and the durability on the back of the pant as well. Another thing we've added a stuff sack so you can put it in your pannier, keep it nice and tidy in the back of the bike when you're riding around. So that's the RUKKA jump-in trouser. Wear it over your PMJs, make sure you put your boots on after you've put your trousers on to keep them as fresh and nice as possible. Really high quality, beautiful product. Go to tranam.co.uk or go to Bikerheadz on Facebook.